Hello everyone, welcome to Yantrik Baba once again. What do you do on weekends? Either you smoke Sheesha, you play FIFA, you travel. But today, I want to smoke Sheesha and I also want to travel. But how do you do these two things together? Because the Sheesha is not really portable. Well, here's the solution. The product we have today is a portable Sheesha. So let's unbox this and let's show you how can you travel with your Sheesha and you can have fun with it. Let's open the box, and the first thing you could see, the biggest one, is the base. Now this is blue in color and I'm sure there are many other colors available. I would actually prefer black over blue. This is made up of acrylic, which means it is unbreakable and definitely much more durable than what you get in a glass base. I have written over here, there could be other brands also, but the product is more or less the same. Now this hole is where the chillum would sit at and it would be resting on that. We would talk about this later. This is the vent. I believe the water has to be poured directly in, either from here or from here, whatever suits you. At the bottom there is a cutout. The cutout is meant for the LED light. We will look at that later as well. Alright, so the next product we have is source. Not really long actually, I think it's less than 1 meter, and it is silicone, so good quality, but I think I personally prefer a thicker and a longer pipe than this. Next one that we have is chillum. Now please note this chillum is flexible, it's made up of high quality silicone. Next we have is the LED light which sits at the base. Now this is a submersible LED light as mentioned over here. It requires 3 AAA size batteries, which is not included in this package. So this is the light set, we'll keep it aside now. This is interesting. This is the burner. This is where you put the coal. This is the lid. Let's show you how to assemble this one. You cannot open this for sure. This is like a sealed base. All you could do is mount the chillum right over here like this. This is how you would place the burner on the chillum. This is quite interesting and this looks very neat. I'll keep this box aside now. You need not have additional foils and then puncture the foils to make it ready. This is pretty much it. You just place this one on it, put the burning coals inside, and it's ready to go. It sits nicely, it doesn't fall off, but you need to be careful. Right, now let's use the remote control and change the light. Reduction in brightness and increase in brightness right there. Right. So this is interesting. I personally feel fade is a very good effect. It gives you all the colors and keeps moving slowly, which would give you a nice feel to it when you have water and smoke inside. Let's get going. Alright, then the flavor is ready. The coal is ready. I generally prefer this brand. This is Alakbar coconut coal. As you can see, there are 48 pieces inside. That's simple. 1, 2, 3 and go. So the advantages mainly are that it is unbreakable, it is absolutely portable. You can carry this in your bag and then you can travel wherever you want to travel. You need not have access aluminum foils and then puncture, so it saves time. It's very easy to clean. Heat is distributed in the flavor very nicely, unlike conventional hookahs where the flavors get burnt in between and remains unused at the periphery of the chillum itself. So this gives a very linear burning and a very subtle flavor.